Hey, good morning.
Morning! Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. Mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too.
So, are you here often?
Actually, yeah. I come here almost every weekend.
Really? I just found this park last week.
Oh, wow. What do you think of it so far?
I love it. It's peaceful and everyone seems so friendly.
I know. That's why I keep coming back.
Same here. It's nice to get away from busy streets sometimes.
Absolutely. So, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Where are you from?
I'm from Seattle.
No way. I've always wanted to visit Seattle.
Seriously? You should. It's a beautiful city.
I've heard it rains a lot there.
It definitely does. You get used to it, though.
I guess you always need an umbrella?
Pretty much.
How long have you lived there?
My whole life, actually.
That's awesome.
What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Austin, Texas.
Really? I've never been there.
You'd probably love it.
What's it like?
It's lively, friendly, and the food is amazing.
I've heard the barbecue is incredible.
It absolutely is.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too.
What's your favorite thing about Austin?
Honestly, the live music.
Oh, that's cool.
Music is everywhere.
That sounds fun.
It really is.
Do you still have family there?
Yeah, my parents and my younger sister still live there.
Do you visit them often?
Whenever I can.
I try to visit my family every few months, too.
That's nice.
Yeah, family's important.
Definitely.
So what brought you here?
Work, actually.
Same here.
Really?
Yup. I got a new job a few months ago.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Thanks. I'm really enjoying it.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
Very cool. What kind of design do you do?
Mostly branding and social media graphics.
That sounds interesting.
It keeps me busy, but I really enjoy it.
That's great. I've always admired creative people.
Thanks. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
Nice. Do you enjoy it?
I do. Some days are challenging, but I like solving problems.
I know what you mean.
Do you work from home or at an office?
A little of both.
That's the best of both worlds.
Exactly.
Do you miss Seattle?
Sometimes, especially my family and the coffee shops.
I've heard Seattle has amazing coffee.
It definitely does.
Austin has great coffee too, but people usually talk about barbecue first.
You're making me want to visit.
You should.
Maybe next spring?
That's a great time to go.
Have you traveled to many states?
A few, but there's still so much I want to see.
Same here.
What's your favorite place you visited?
Probably San Diego.
Really? Why?
The beaches are beautiful, and everyone seems so relaxed.
I've been there once. I loved it too.
Did you try surfing?
No way. I spent more time watching other people fall off their boards.
That's hilarious.
What about you? Have you ever tried surfing?
Just once.
How did it go?
Let's just say I spent more time in the water than on the board.
You're kidding.
I wish I were.
At least you gave it a try.
Exactly.
What's one place you still want to visit?
New York City.
Great choice.
How about you?
I'd love to visit Alaska someday.
Oh, wow. That's different.
I've always wanted to see the Northern Lights.
That would be amazing.
Maybe one day.
Definitely.
Do you like living in the city so far?
I do. People have been really welcoming.
I felt the same when I moved here.
That makes settling in much easier.
Absolutely.
Have you made many friends here?
A few. I'm always happy to meet new people.
Me too.
Well, I guess today was a lucky day for both of us.
I'd say so. You know, it's funny.
What is?
We started talking because we happened to sit on the same bench.
I know. Sometimes that's all it takes.
Do you usually talk to strangers?
Not always, but if someone seems